Okay, now let's take a look at Euro JPY for the next day, which is for the 24th. Now, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. You can see that there is a rejection here. So we also add another rejection here. So if you were following this channel consistently, you would have seen, how we added this rejection, kind of like a double top. So we can now see that price is coming at the same level. So you are very much likely to have a triple top at the same level. So let's see if for the next day, for the 24th, Euro to JPY will give us a bullish move to tap this level. Once it can give us that bullish move to tap the level, then expect a drop. So from this current level we are to this level we are talking about, that would be about 85 pips. So we should be watching out for about 70 to 80 pips bullish move for the next day on Euro JPY. So once we can get that bullish move, about 17 to 80 pips bullish move, then start expecting a drop. By the way, there's going to be an heavy drop on Euro JPY. So we will be getting a massive drop, maybe probably about 200 to 300 pips a bearish move. A 200 to 300 drop will be made on Euro JPY. But first, we need to make about 70 to 80 pips bullish move. So watch out for a drop on Euro JPY soon. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, so an ice is actually playing out. So we would want to see this ice take out this ice, these levels we are having a rejection. You can see this levels here on the 4-hour time frame. This level we had a rejection. You can see that once price came to the same level, there was a huge drop. Same thing, price rallied up. And once it got to this ice, we had a huge drop. Now this price is actually rallying up. So this is one of the reasons why I said we should make about 70 to 80 pips bullish move. Once we get that movement, then expect a massive drop again on Euro JPY.